Now let's look at the next question. What is the definition of generative AI? Generative AI is a very common exam topic, so let's understand each option carefully. Option A, this talks about a system that learns and improves using neural networks and deep learning. This describes general AI or machine learning, not specifically generative AI, so this option is incorrect. Option B, this says generative AI can create new content and ideas, such as text, images, music, and code. This is exactly what generative AI does. Examples include ChatGPT for text, image generators, and code assistants. So this option clearly matches the definition. Option C, this describes a machine learning algorithm inspired by the human brain with interconnected nodes. That is simply the definition of a neural network, not generative AI. Option D, this talks about fitting a line to data, which is linear regression, a basic predictive model. This has nothing to do with generative AI. White heavy checkmark, so the correct answer is option B. Generative AI is AI that creates new content, rather than just analyzing or predicting existing data.